Rover Vanden Plas has done really well today.
Yes, it has gone really well. We've had no problems with the car, no problems with navigation. Yeah, really enjoyed it. Yeah, great event.
Your first time for a long time, isn't it?
Yes, well, I normally do road rallies in Wales, so it's the first time I've done this kind of regularity stuff. You know, it's really hard, but I really enjoyed it.
What did you think? What do you think?
Really enjoyed it, yeah.
And the tests?
Good, yeah, good fun. Yeah.
A lot of shouting and pointing?
Well, it was quite hectic at times, wasn't it? But we enjoyed it, you know, we had some good fun, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But what I'm saying is, this is a little bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing, isn't it?
Well, not really. The engine is standard, as you would build a box standard engine. It's had a full rebuild, yes. But yeah, nothing major. Obviously put a roll cage for safety reasons.
But you were quick on the test, it looked fantastic.
I think we had the fastest on one test overall, yeah.
There you go, you
so,
see?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to tell us about this little sign on the back window?
Yeah, the car is for sale from now on, Tony, yeah, as you've seen. So yeah, if anyone is looking for a car and wants a good, reliable, safe car, yeah.
But it's a winner now, you don't want to sell a winner.
Oh, I've got another car, so
yeah.
yeah.
Something up his sleeve, isn't
yes.
it?